Hello, fourth graders. We are going to look next here at lesson 6.7. And if you're wondering why I kind of skipped over a couple, don't worry, we're going to come back to those. But I want to keep rolling with our division here today. A little joke here. Well, that one kind of makes me giggle a little bit. So, poor remainders. I'm not going to deal too much with the remainders today, although a little bit. All right, look at this, right? Now, don't freak out. All I did was add an extra number here on the end. And the good thing about division is once you know all the steps, then it doesn't matter how many numbers we put, here with this 890. We can put lots and lots of them. Let me show you why. So, if you haven't guessed, today we're going to kind of take what we've learned and go a little farther with it. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? All right, you know what I'm going to do here. First, I'm going to cover up anything that's not in the first number. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that and say goodbye to that. That way, I'm only looking at 8 divided by 5. If I can actually click the right buttons to turn that into a color. Now it's great. All right, so how many 5s are in 8? So 5 times what gets me close to 8, but I can't go over. Let's see, 5, 10. Oh, can't say 10. That's too much. So one group of 5. I just drew a circle on there. That's not what I was supposed to do. Let's try again, Mr. White. And there's another circle. Why is that making circles twice? That's probably a little humorous for you. Hey, look at that. I figured out how to draw one. So we just divided. Now we're going to multiply. 1 times 5 equals 5. We've practiced this a lot now, okay? And so hopefully these steps are coming a little bit easier for you. That equals 3. Check. 3 is smaller than 5. Yep, if it's not, I made a mistake. And now I'm going to uncover just the next number. Only one more. See? So I'm going to bring this down because that's what B stands for, bring down. And I have 39. So I'm going to make this line a little bit better and divide by 5. I go back to the top, right? So I'm dividing. 39 divided by 5. How many 5s are in 39? 5 times what gets us close to 39, but don't go over 5 times 7, right? Or 39 divided by 5. Closest number is 7. 5 times 8 is 40. That's too much. 5 times 7. M for multiply. You multiply the number you just wrote. Don't multiply the 1. You already did that. 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Divide, multiply, subtract. Yep, 4 is smaller than 5. Yep. Bring down. Hey, there's still more to bring down. Let's bring it all the way down. Here it comes. Bloop. All right, what do you think I do now? What's your guess? I have no idea. I hope. What did we do last time we got to the bottom? We go back up to the top. And we divide. We're going to have 40 divided by 5. Always dividing by this same divisor out here. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. That's on my fact test. I wrote down an 8. 8 times 5 equals 40. I divided, multiplied. See, I did it all here again. Now I can subtract and get 0. Check. 0 is smaller than 5, and now there's nothing to bring down. So see, I just went through an extra cycle, didn't I? And I came up with my answer of 178. All right, that's kind of the steps that we're going to talk about today. We're working on a goal here to be able to multiply these larger numbers. Here we have our math message, and it says that Lillian needs to buy 112 bottles of water for the school party. The bottles come in packs of 4. How many packs should she buy? All right, I'm going to help you set this up, and then I'm going to see if you can do what I just did. Now, notice how when I write these down, I don't cram them all together, right? What if, if you do this, you're not going to have any space there. You need a little bit of space. I didn't do a good job drawing my bracket, so I'm going to try that again. I'm going to need room on top. I don't have too much room, but you'll have more room on your paper. All right, write it down and give it a try. All right, let's see what we did here. Now, again, if you didn't write this down and you didn't try it, that's not, I can't help you if you're not trying. So make sure that you're trying and working. Here we're going to divide, right? I'll go through this one a little faster since you've already tried it. Let's pull out, let's get that little cover here. Hang on, let me copy this one and put it over here on this page so that we can ignore that. Now, this didn't happen last time. 4 times what gets us close to 1? How many 4s are in 1? Well, if you had 1 person, could you make a group of 4? Nope, you could make 0 groups. Remember what we did. If we can't make anything, we need to uncover the next number. And so that might have been tricky. And if you got stuck there, I understand. How many 4s are in 11? 11 divided by 4. Count your 4s. 4, 8, 12 is too much. 4, 8. So 2 4s. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract 3. 3 is smaller than 4. And bring down. Bring down a 2. What do I do next? I am going back to the top and dividing again, right? So I'm dividing by 4. All right. What do I do here? 32 divided by 4. What's that equal? Okay, should have said 8. Where does the 8 go? Yeah, it goes on the top. What would happen? Look at this. What if you put it there? What's going to go? I mean, you're going to get the wrong answer. Yeah, but tell me more. What's going to happen if you put it there? Watch this. If you put it there, this is all wrong, right? Then you're going to get 24 here. And then 24 is way bigger than 4. So the answer to the division problem goes on the top, the 8 up there. Divide. Now multiply. 8 times 4 is 32. Hey, this one's going to be no remainder. Also, that's nice. And check. Nothing left to bring down. How many packs should she buy? Our complete answer, she should buy 28 packs of water, right? All right. What happens? Oh, dear. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Karen bought 1,626 stickers. Who needs that many stickers? Oh my goodness. To put into gift bags. She wants each gift bag to contain 6 stickers. Man, she must be selling these on Amazon or something. How many gift bags can she make? So what I want to do here before I start answering this is, how could we could estimate your answer? How could you estimate here? All right, I want to give you an idea, and that is to use multiplication to estimate. Okay, so if you think about 6 times something, and you're going to try to get close to this number, well, use what we learned with those 0 rules, right? So 6 times 100 would be 600. 6 times 200, well, what's this 6 times 200? 12, that's 1,200. 6 times 300 is going to be 1,800. So look, this is between there. So I'm going to guess that my answer is going to be, somewhere around 250, right? Because this 1626 falls in between these. Now, is it going to be exactly 250? No, but I'm estimating here. So use multiplication to help yourself when estimating division problems. Let's go through this here, because you can do 4 digits the same way you can do 3 digits. We're going to have 1,626 divided by, why do I keep not leaving myself room there? Oh, that's all right. Divided by 6. And let me get my little cover guy here. You can use a Post-it note at home. You can use a piece of paper at home. You can use your finger at home. Right? Just to make your brain pay attention to only one of those numbers. Divide, multiply, subtract, check, bring down. All right, how many 6s are in 1? 0, none, no 6s. I'm going to put the answer a little higher up here. If you have one person, you can't make a group of 6. So we need to uncover the other number. How many 6s are in 16? 2. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3, if you pick 3, that's too much. 6 times 3 is 18. Or you can count by 6s. 6, 12, 18 was too much. So 2 groups of 6, which we just said was 12. So I've divided, I've multiplied, I can subtract. I'll check. 4 is smaller than 6. And let's bring this guy down here. Looks good. We brought down. Now we're going to multiply. We're going to divide 42 divided by 6. How much? 7. And the 7 goes on the top. I hope by now we're putting answers to dividing on the top. 7 times 6 is 42. So we have subtract and we get 0. Now, sometimes we might think, oh, am I done? I'm done, right? Nope. Because you're not done until there's nothing left to bring down. There's a 6 here. Bring down. All right, back to divide. 6 divided by 6. Don't say 36. What's 6 divided by 6? Just 1, because 1 times 6 equals 6. Divided, multiplied, subtract. Nope, that's not right. Subtract, that's better. And check, yep, it's smaller. And now I have nothing left to bring down. So 271, let's see, gift bags. 271 bags. I hope she makes a lot of money on Amazon with those. All right. So, 4th graders, we are going to be working here on our math journal page. It is lesson 6.7. Here's number 1 and number 2. Use some multiplying, right? To kind of estimate what the answer might be. And then you'll be writing a number model with an unknown, right? You can use a variable, a letter. And then using this space. If this is not enough space, use a scrap sheet of paper or use your dry erase board. Because you know, with these division problems, you do need a lot of space. Right? And that's going to give you your answer here. Let's see. Do we have a number on this page? Nope, we don't. It might go on to a second page. It looks like it does. So just find 6.7 to know what to do. All right, that is all here today, 4th graders. We are dividing a lot recently, aren't we? And using that same process each time. All right, that's all. Good luck.